Okay, what's up you guys? Good morning. It's the afternoon. So, welcome back to the channel. Spads here. So, today, what we're gonna do is punta tayo ng Yamaha. Papa-change tayo ng oil. The oil that we're gonna use is the liquid moly oil. And at the same time, meron tayong extended mud guards sa front and sa back na ipapa-install. So we're gonna go after sa Yamaha sa V-Motor. So if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. Make sure that you sub if gusto niyo yung mga content na to. So let's not waste some time. Let's go and head to Yamaha first. Okay guys, so medyo gloomy ngayon kasi yesterday I think may bagyo. And siguro I think yesterday magpapa-change ng oil and then magpapakabit ng mga mudguards, yung extended mudguards sa front and sa back. Pero umulan, so na-cancel yung lakad. Today, here we are. We're gonna go to Yamaha and then have the oil change. Our second maintenance. Okay, so kung gusto nyo manood, sit back, relax. It's been a long time since I did a moto vlog. Yung mga previews ng mga contents ko, it's from the old contents that I have before the lockdown. So pag pinanood nyo tong video na to, it's been 2 months since before ako create ng new content sa channel. Okay, so make sure that you sub. Sa mga new viewers sa channel ko, make sure that you sub and make sure that you follow my social media accounts as well. Because alam nyo guys, this coming new episodes, we're gonna go ahead and give away some motorcycle gears in the channel. So make sure that you sub and follow my social media accounts kasi we're gonna pick the winners sa tawag dyan sa YouTube, and then we're gonna announce it on our social media account. So I have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and most importantly, ito yung YouTube channel ko. Okay, so ayan. Wala na ako masabi. So I think today is May 15. I don't know if the government's gonna extend the lockdown. So makikita nyo may mga checkpoint pa rin. Okay, so feeling ko matutumbal yung motor. Woo! So ngayon medyo ingat-ingat tayo kasi parang matagal na hindi na nakatakbo si MT-15 ko. So easy lang muna tayo. Pa-change oil, boss? Oo. Okay guys, what's up? So, we are here na inside the Yamaha Revzone. Okay. We're gonna wait kung ano na yung mot natin. Wala pa pala, nakapila lang. Okay, so we're gonna wait inside here. Siyempre, ikot tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Okay, we have the MT-03 line up. Nandito na pala, Iloilo Revzone. And then this is the MT-09. Ganda ng MT-09, oh my god. Okay, so ito yung mga MT-09. They have the silver and the black. And then ito yung MT-7. Oh my god. Ito yung mga big brothers ng MT-15. Okay? And this right here is the brand new, kakalabas lang, MT-03. Yan. So we're gonna take a look at the bike. The big significance is the wider tank from the MT-15. Ayan, tapos may logo siya. And then syempre yung eyelet niya. Yan. Then syempre malaki lang radiator niya. And I don't know, hindi ko pa kasi nakita yung specs, but it's a 300cc bike times 2 sa MT-15. Okay, tingnan natin yung ride height niya. So, ayun. Okay rin pala. Ayan guys, medyo mababa pala siya compare dun sa sa MT-15. Oh my god. Ayan 5'4" ako guys. And then, kita nyo, hindi ako tiptoe. Sa MT-15, tiptoe tayo eh. Okay. So, ganyan pala yung itsura niya. Okay, sa may mga planong bumili ng MT-15 and MT-03, I'm gonna show you kung sorry. I'm gonna show you kung ano yung ride height niya. So, check this out. Ayan, so nakita nyo na yung ride height ng MT-03. Bababa lang pala guys. Yung changes sa sa itsura, eto from MT-15, yung mga fairings niya medyo malaki na siya, bulky yung, at saka malaki yung yung tank niya. And then meron siyang parang mini compartment sa likod. For the MT-15 medyo hanggang dito lang, pero eto medyo extended na siya kasi before yung mga reklamo nila is medyo maliit talaga yung yung rear end ng ng motor ng MT-15. Ito guys, ito yung MT-07. Okay, yan, MT-07 black and silver ice ata. Yan, MT-07. I think it's the same ride height lang. Oo, same ride height lang sila. Pero mabigat guys. Ayan. So, as you can see, pag nakikita nyo, okay lang pag lang naman. So, yung MT series pala, yung MT-03, MT-07, yung ride height nila, okay lang. Hindi gaano mataas. Pero mabigat siya guys, kumpara sa MT-15. But I think, flickable siya. Okay? So, this is the MT-09. Oh my god. The bigger brother of the MT-15, MT-07 and MT-03. And then medyo mataas yung ride height nito. Okay, kumpara sa iba. MT-09 999cc at or 900cc, hindi ko alam. Okay, so ayan, dito tayo sa Yamaha Revzone. We're checking out the bikes, samantalang nagpipila si Doki V dun. Okay, so ito pala yung SRP niya. Okay, okay siya. And then let's move on sa mga super bikes. Oh my god, my dream bike, Yamaha R6. Let's go. Ayan na, gusto ko talaga tong bike na to. Okay, every time na pupunta ako dito, magre-remit ng bayad or magpa-change oil, talaga yung tine-check ko. Maybe someday I'm gonna buy this thing. Sa dream bike ko to. And syempre, show natin yun sa YouTube. So, kung plano nyong suporta sa akin, bigyan nyo ako ng money, pumili ng R6. So, wala pa si MT, siguro medyo matagalan pa. Ayan yung lineup ng bike na tini-change oil nila. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here and then we're gonna resume if tapos na tayo, and then we're gonna go to V Motors to add those mudguards sa mot-mot natin. Okay, so bye muna for now. Okay. Okay guys, what's up? So tapos na tayo sa Yamaha. And then right now punta tayo ng V-Motors. Now we're gonna install the extended mudguards in the front and the back. We're gonna change it. Okay. And let's see if may konting significant or may itutulong yung extended mudguards natin. Okay. So let's go. Okay, we are here na guys. Pasok tayo. Okay guys, we're gonna wait for the mechanic na mag-i-install extended mudguards natin. So, stay tuned. Okay, so what's up guys? We're done installing the rear mudguard. We've changed it from stock into this long one. Makikita nyo parang naging formado yung MT-15 kasi medyo mahaba na mudguard niya. Kasi yung unang stock hanggang dito lang. So, eto medyo extended siya. And we will know if effective siya sa pag, eliminate ng mga talsik from the rear. Okay? And also, sa front, we also installed a universal mudguard extension. Okay, the purpose of this is to eliminate the mud or water from going in dito hanggang dito sa radiator. Okay, ikot tayo, tingnan natin kung anong itsura niya. Ayan, yung itsura niya guys. So I'm in the middle of nowhere kasi kailangan kong humanap ng mga basa-basa. Yung ginawa natin after ng install, nagpa-car wash ako para makita natin kung effective siya or hindi. So right now, again, as you can see guys, may mga talsik. So first off, yung front muna. So before, hanggang dito yung yung putik or yung basa. Hanggang dito sa taas, nasa splatter dito sa engine and then sa may coolant reservoir. Okay, hanggang dito sa taas. So right now, as you can see, yung splatter is hanggang dito lang, meaning effective tong front mudguard extension. I'm gonna show you where I bought this. I'm gonna link it somewhere in the screen. Okay, it's from Shopee. It's around 100 plus, so it's mura lang siya. So yung ginawa namin is may mga holes siya on the center lang, and then eto hard plastic lang naman, so we drilled the hole, 3 holes actually, and then nilagay namin siya sa loob. Okay, so very effective siya. Yung splatter hanggang dito lang, and then hindi siya umaakit. So your engine looks cleaner, and then your radiator is far from muds and water from the road. Ayan, kung gusto nyo bumili, plano ko yung ganyan, pareho kayo sa akin na OC masyado, ayaw maputikan si MT-15. So install that, mura lang yan. have someone to drill holes and then screw it up. May kasama ng screws yung package niyan. Okay? In the front, medyo kampante na ako. Yung rear naman, as you can see, may mga holes siya. And nakikita nyo, may mga splatter na. What I was trying to eliminate in here is to eliminate the splatter or yung putik na pumunta dito. Kasi mahirap gasan yung part na ito. Okay, so as much as possible I want to eliminate all the splatter in going in here. Before, nang wala pa to, hanggang dito lang siya. Okay, yung splatter niya pupuntang dito hanggang dito sa loob. Okay, so right now you can see guys, yung mga splatter hanggang dito lang. May mga splatter din dito, pero feeling ko matalsik talaga yung yung goma ng MT-15 or yung rear tire niya, kaya ganyan. This is an extended version of the stock tire hugger or mudguard sa likod. There is another one which is a universal. I don't know if it's gonna fit. So hanggang dito siya. So I don't know if that's gonna help. I will try to look for it at i-install ko. Hindi ko gustong mga ganyan yung yung likod ko kasi you know, wag mo sa bahay, pupunasan ko na naman. So ayan. So to summarize everything, okay, yung front very effective. Buy that one, have that installed. And the back, not much difference. Konti lang. Meron naman, konti lang naman yung na prevent niya. But your MT-15 will look aggressive installing this extended version of the stock. So, I hope you like our episode for today. Okay. Di ko na alam kung saan na tayo dito. So, uwi na ako. So, make sure that you sub to the channel. Follow my social media accounts. And also guys, we have an upcoming giveaways, a helmet. So make sure that you watch out for that. May mechanics tayo kung paano nyo mapapanalunan yung helmet na yan. And I will see you guys on the next video, okay? See you, bye!